Well, about time you got here. Hey guys, I ordered this package 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago. So because of COVID, they told me that there was a delay in the post. Yeah, right. Well, why doesn't Dailies have a delay? Dailies mails out 1 day and the trees arrive within 5 days, 1 week the most. I've never waited for more than 1 week from Dailies. And these guys, we'll see how good they are once I get the trees out. Well, they're not to blame, right? It's the post service. These guys used Australia Post, which is Australia's main postal service. Wrong idea. Do what Dailies does and use a third company, right? A private courier company. Guys, jeez. So, as I was about to say, hi guys. I just finished unboxing the Canistel and cinnamon tree from Dailies, which I ordered last week and arrived this week. And 10 minutes after I sat down to take a breather, right? Take a breather. As if I'm ever going to have a breather here in spring or summer or autumn. Guys, I'm going to need to hire an assistant soon. Anyone care to fill the position? Yeah, 10 minutes after sitting down, guess what arrives? My next delivery. 3 weeks! 3 weeks. Let's see if they're still alive. I'm probably going to end up with trees looking like this one. And I'm going to be really pissed. Okay, we have instructions how to open. To open, cut along here. To open, cut along here. Alright, let's try that. Okay, I got the top off. Even though it said to cut along the side. I did the top first, the head, the cap. So, I'm going to work on this side now. Looks like you have to open it like a door from here, from the side. Can you guess what these are? Guessy, guessy. Alright. Got the side out. Come on, George, show us what they are. Oh, they seem to be alive. That's impressive. 3 weeks without water. Wow. Can you guys go 3 weeks without water? So it looks like we have a tree with leaves and a tree without leaves. This can't be too tropical, can it? Without any leaves. But this one, who knows, can be either way. So I'm gonna remove the plastic wraps and we can get a lot closer. Alright guys, what we have is multi-grafted dwarf trees. Cool. This one is a cool climate one for the temperate zone where I am. We're getting 3 different trees on one trunk, right, like it shows there. And the varieties are Fuji, Gala and Sundowner in my selection. That's what I chose. You can choose any one of these. And why did I get an apple tree in the midst of all this tropical insanity? Well, because Kim likes apples, guys. We don't want to forget Kim. She likes bananas and watermelons and mangoes, but she also likes apples. I'm not a big fan of apples, but I'm gonna please her because, you know, she wants what she wants, and it's not much of a big deal to get an apple tree, right? I mean, we have 2 apple trees, but I butchered them last autumn, mainly because they were not what we wanted anymore. We didn't want full-size trees, so we're going to replace them with these dwarfs. A 3-in-1, which is still sleeping. Let's have a look. Is it waking up yet? Yep, there's a little bud there. Where are you, little bud? There. See that? So this is a very late variety. And where else did I see some life? Oh, up there at the tip. So these are just starting to wake up now. And the third one, which is, you know, alive, doesn't have any green buds yet, but they'll come. Thankfully, the soil is still wet, as you can see at the bottom here. But the other tree is bone dry. And the reason why it's bone dry is because it's got leaves on it. And 3 weeks without water on a tree with leaves is pushing it to the end. They made it though. I'm surprised that it made it. So I'm gonna quickly finish this video and go and water this one. That one is fine, but I'll water that too. At the top it's semi-moist, but at the bottom it's very moist. It actually doesn't even need to be watered. I won't water it. But this one here, bone dry. Super dry. No moisture at all. Right? Look. Damn. 3 weeks. Can't get over it. Anyway, these are the varieties. This is a tropical multi-graft. So that means early varieties. Tropical Sweet and Golden Dorset. Right? I could have got the Anna as well. That's another tropical. These are subtropical apples. So we have 2 on this tree. And that's it. We've got 2 and 3, 5 apple trees in 2 dwarfs. And because the trees arrived and they're alive, I might as well do the right thing and pimp the company. You already saw the name at the beginning, fruitsaladtrees.com. And you can get pretty much any multi-graft you want, from stone fruit, citrus and multi-apples. Right? Pretty neat, especially for people that don't have much room. I got plenty of room, but I got it for a different reason. So you can even get 6 different varieties on one tree. Yeah, so this is taking grafting to the next level. Yeah. So currently I've got these 20-year-old apple trees, which I butchered here and here and there. And there's the kiwi that I butchered. A lot of butchering going on, but I kept these stems. Look how tall it gets, and that's after it's been butchered. After it's been butchered, it's 5 meters high. Gosh, so I had enough of that for 20 years, and it was time to scale down with apple mammoths. This is a mammoth. That was a Jonathan. This is the Granny Smith. Right? Just for another season or 2 until the dwarfs get established. Look at that butchering in here. Huh? And that one in there. I just had enough of dealing with these super-sized apple trees. I had enough, guys. And I had enough of the kiwi not fruiting. Right? After 20 years. Maybe it's time for a new kiwi, I don't know. So that's the story on why we got replacements. We're scaling down in size. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and to follow me on the channel. Please hit the notification bell as well, so you can be notified for new and upcoming videos, guys. See you from the next video.